Let's make that soft, fluffy, delicious Ghana pound cake. Hello, it's a great honor to have you on the channel and in my kitchen today. If today is the first time here, you are highly welcome. And if you have been coming here or you are a returning one, thank you for always spending some time with me. My name is Lena, and today, as I said earlier, we are making pound cake. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my margarine. Okay, today I did not use butter. I'm using margarine, and this is half cup of margarine. I'm just going to add half cup of sugar, and I'll just go ahead and then mix it very well so I get that creamy outcome I am looking for. Okay, thank you once again. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us. Now we are on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. Oh my goodness, you will love it there. We share short videos that are less than a minute, and some are a minute duration, which those recipes are very detailed. So if you want to watch that instead of the long form, kindly follow us there, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. Now we are done, and we have that creamy we are looking for. Okay, creamy texture we are looking for. I'm just going to add my eggs to it bit by bit or one by one. Hey. And then mix it very well, okay, until we are done mixing everything. Just look at that. If you don't have the mixer I'm using, the hand mixer I'm using, you can just go ahead and then use your hand to mix this. Okay, yes, that also works perfectly, but it involves someone who has that arm. Okay, yeah, I've added the next egg. I'll go ahead and then mix it very well so we get the texture, and we will continue like that. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? I'll be very happy if you share to others, and extremely happy if you leave me your comments in the comment section. Yes, now that is the third egg I've added, and I will mix it very well. As I am talking to you right now, I have all my dry ingredients ready. I'll go ahead and add the next egg, which makes 4. Okay, yes, it means we've used 4 eggs so far. You can as well reduce the quantity of any ingredient that we'll be using here, okay, or increase it if that is what you want. To me, after I finish preparing this, I will tell you, get into the middle of the video. So I removed that you saw earlier because it was some of the sugar that was like a ball. Okay, so it was not able to melt. That is why I removed it. So we've added our eggs, and that is 5 eggs. Yes, now that is what we have. Just look at that creamy, beautiful butter we have. I'll go ahead and then sieve my flour, and we are using all-purpose flour. We are going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour and then mix it very well. Because I don't have that big arm, you can just see it from my hand. Okay, so I'll just add it to it bit by bit and then mix it. I hope you get it. But in all, we are using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can as well use soft flour, yes, if you have that, okay, or you can use cake flour if that's what you want, but I am using all-purpose flour. In all, we are going to use 1.5 cups of milk, whole milk. So that is what I've added to it, and I did not add all. Okay, I'll continue by adding the rest of the flour, mix it very well, and then add all the ingredients to it bit by bit till we get the consistency that we are looking for. And trust me, this cake was absolutely delicious. But there's one thing I did not like about it, which I'll be sharing with you, okay? So that if you want to use the same measurement, you know what you are going to get, okay? I did not like it because maybe some reason I will tell you, but you will like it. Maybe you like something, okay? So let's continue. Now I've added the rest of the flour and I am mixing it very well. I'll go ahead and then add the rest of the milk as well. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your time. Now when we are preparing pound cake, okay, just use your vanilla, any flavor of your choice, but I decided to add some cinnamon to it, and trust me, oh my goodness, it added some flavor to it. And in my house we love cinnamon, okay? Everything that we prepare, like pastry, sweet, anything, we add cinnamon to it. So I decided to add cinnamon to it, and then that was a tablespoon, and I added a tablespoon of vanilla as well, and I've mixed everything. Now I've added a pinch of salt, okay? Yes, if you know the butter or the margarine you are using contains salt, do not bother adding salt to your butter, okay? Your cake butter, else it is going to be salty. Now I'm just going to prepare my pan very well, and then we can proceed. This is where we have gotten to, and that is perfect. I'm going to pour this in my pan and then we continue. So I just want to summarize everything again. We use 5 eggs. Before that, I put this in my oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, and it was ready. So to summarize everything, we use 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We use 1.5 cups of whole milk. We used 5 eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, and that was it. So my flour contains a tablespoon of baking powder, okay? So should you did not see that, we added baking powder, and if you were not able to watch fully, you will miss this information. Please do not write it in the comment section. Yes, if you watch it fully to this point. Now what I said earlier, I was trying to say that this was sugary. Yes, that is what I did not like about it. But if you add sugar, you like sugar, just use the same measurement, 1/2 cup. Thank you for watching. Bye.